Me reading Jungkook's tropical birth chart. Part 2. Explaining the 4 planets conjunct in Virgo. I see everyone is discussing him having so many planets in Virgo, so I will explain that. Me explaining all of the planets he has in Virgo. First, in tropical he has 4 planets: Sun, Moon, North Node, Rahu, Mercury, all conjunct in Virgo in his 9th house. A brief summary of what all of these planets conjunct will cause. Virgo is about managers criticizing, always trying to find fault in things, analyzing or searching to find a problem. Sun being conjunct the moon can show someone that has a big ego or is a narcissist. The reason for this is because Sun is our self-esteem, personality, ego, what we try to boss around. Moon is our thoughts, our mindset, feelings, etc. So now he has constant thoughts where he only thinks of himself. Now when you add Mercury, a planet of communication, to this conjunction, his narcissism comes out through his communication. Mercury rules his 6th and 9th house. So now the narcissism he has comes out when he has to travel for his jobs. The narcissism will also come out in his higher education. For example, he would be someone that would prove he is smarter than others. Not about everything, obviously, but things related to Virgo like management. The Virgo energy will make him criticize what his teachers say or criticize the advice his father gives him. Now we add Rahu, or the North Node, to this conjunction. Rahu makes things weird and unusual, but in a bad way. Sun and Moon represents both of his parents, so automatically he has an unusual relationship with them. It's actually his parents' fault. They would do things unethical towards him, like lying to Jungkook a lot. Whenever Rahu is conjunct the Sun, it makes someone even more narcissistic or self-absorbed about themselves. Rahu effects on the Moon can show someone that has constant unusual thoughts about himself. Since Rahu represents illusions, its effects on the Moon and Sun makes someone have tons of hallucinations about their personality. Overall, this conjunction in the 9th house shows someone that has high regard about himself when pertaining to 9th house things. Few examples are when it comes to religions. He'll have unusual beliefs that are not similar to the average Korean, but he would feel his beliefs are the best. What he would do is criticize other religious beliefs. The Virgo energy is making him criticize. A second example is when it comes to long-distance traveling. He is the traveling critic. He would be the one to criticize an airline or describe the faults in his traveling experiences.